Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil coming to you from SAPNEILTUTORING Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be talking about unlocking Florida scholarship opportunities, a comprehensive guide to test-based awards. Whether it's taking the SAT, the ACT, or the CLT, understanding that these opportunities and the requirements can pave the way for substantial financial alleviation when it comes to paying for tuition because of Florida's great programs that help reduce or sometimes completely subsidize the cost for a Florida public university. So what are these programs? Number one, the Florida Bright Futures Scholarship Program. It's a merit-based initiative designed to recognize and reward high school graduates for their academic achievements. The program offers several award levels, each with a specific criteria related to GPA, coursework, test scores, and service hours. Number one, it's the Florida Academic Scholarship. Minimum 3.5 GPA, ACT, CLT, or SAT are required. Complete 100 hours of volunteer service, 100 hours of paid work, or a combination of totaling 100 hours. Completion of 16 college prep courses. The award details are cover 100% of tuition and applicable fees at Florida Public Institution. And there are some scoring requirements. They are score of a 29 in the ACT, a combined score of a 1330 in the SAT, and the CLT overall score of a 95. The next one is called the Florida Medallion Scholarship. This is maintaining a minimum GPA of 3.0. ACT, CLT, or combined score on the SAT is all required. Complete 75 hours of volunteer service, 100 hours of paid work, or a combination totaling 100 hours. Completion of 16 college prep courses. The test scoring requirements on the ACT are a 25, SAT is a 1210, and the CLT is overall score of 82. These scores are subject to change, and the 2024-2025 stats are different from the 2025-2026 graduating class. The application process is relatively simple. Submit the Florida Financial Aid Application, FFAA. We have a separate video on this. Ensure eligibility requirements are met, and monitor your application status. Additional scholarships can be institutional scholarships, private scholarships, through either scholarships.com, FastWeb, and many other websites. My name is Dr. Sapneil, and for the past 15 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of scholarship assistance, Florida Bright Futures assistance, test prep, admissions counseling, cognitive testing, executive function testing, and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about how myself and my team can help you achieve these academic goals, please don't hesitate to contact us at the number below. We look forward to helping you along this academic journey. Thank you.